The Geeks on Wheels brand has existed since 2005, and it's a very trusted and well-known New Zealand brand. And it was born out of the situation where everyday Kiwis were becoming more and more dependent and confused with technology, and technology was changing at a very rapid rate. So one of our strengths is actually our size. We have over 50 technical minds in the business, so collaboratively we have a lot of knowledge. If we haven't seen it, nobody has. A lot of computer businesses kind of forget about the everyday user of technology in New Zealand, which is the domestic and the small to medium-sized business. That's our focus. So that's the first thing that makes us a little bit different. But probably the key, I think, to that is that we focus really hard on not speaking geek. So we work really hard on listening to our customers and understanding them and explaining things in a very easy to accept way. So we can help our customers with those issues with a number of different services. The first one's the We Come to You service, which we're very well known for, where a technician will come and visit you in your home or your business. And if you have need for more of an instant quick fix service, we also have our technical Geek Hotline, which is a phone and remote service.
So the Geek Hotline is technical support with our technicians. So we give you a phone call, have a chat, remote into your computer and see if we can fix the issue for you. So if it's an easy fix, that can be done within about 20 minutes or so. If not, then we can send a technician to have a look for you.
So I work as a mobile PC technician, so what that means is I help people with their IT needs, like if they are having any difficulty with their computer or with their internet connection. We'll go to that particular customer, talk to them, see what's happening, understand their needs, and then basically go with the troubleshooting process, help them with their issues, and at the end provide them the recommendations so that this thing won't happen in future.
I love working at Geeks on Wheels because at the end of the day, when the issue's been resolved, it just makes them so much happier, less stress, and they don't have to worry about it.
My job is to make every customer understanding and happy at the end of the visit.
Most computer businesses just focus on fixing customers' problems. Now, while we obviously fix our customers' problems, we work really hard on empowering our customers and improving their knowledge so they can improve their confidence with their technology and improve the benefits that they can get from the technology. That's really where we add value.